Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about the best time to transplant rhubarb. Rhubarb is a wonderful plant. It grows very lush leaves, and it's the stems themselves from the leaves that are used as the rhubarb. And you can cook them down and mix them with strawberries and put a little bit of sugar with them and add them to ice cream or make a nice strawberry rhubarb pie. But rhubarb is a wonderful plant to have in your garden, and it's really a great plant to work with in the kitchen as well. So the best time to transplant a rhubarb is in the fall. Once they're done growing, done blooming, and they're starting to die back a little bit or not looking quite as good, then I just trim them back a bit, dig them up, and just separate it. So as long as you've got a stem and a root, you'll have a new plant. And the trick is to plant them back in the ground right away, because they're a root and they don't want to be out of the ground too long. They'll dry up and you'll lose them. So put them in a full sunny spot and transplant them anytime. In the fall is the best time, but even if you divide them in the wintertime or early spring, that's okay too. Anytime they're not growing a lot, you can transplant them, because they're a really strong plant. It doesn't really matter when you transplant them. They're going to grow no matter what you do to them. But the best time is in the fall. Transplant them, put them in their new area immediately, and let them grow in that new spot so you can have lots and lots of rhubarb for the next year.